Today is April 16th. We're going to start a new unit. The first lesson is going to be a combination of 1 and 2, rational numbers and points on a number line. We'll do lesson 2 on Monday, but I just wanted to put these together. The learn target, explain what 0 and positive and negative numbers mean. Here's some vocabulary words: negative number, positive number, and a rational number, a number that can be turned into a fraction. If I have 6 is a rational number because I can make that into a fraction. 6 over 1. 3 is a rational number because I can turn that into a fraction. So any number that can be turned into a fraction is called a rational number. Right? Go ahead and pause it whenever you have to so you can write all this down. And remember to keep track of it on your table of contents right here. So I started Unit 7, Lesson 1 and 2. Okay? So remember to do that. All right. Next, draw this. Hey, positive and negative. So make a T-chart. Think of some situations that would have a positive number to it. For example, like if you gain 5 pounds, like I do. So I gain 5 pounds, so it would be positive 5. Positive 5 right there. Okay. Something negative is maybe your brother stole 2 comic books from me. Okay. So if my brother stole 2 comic books from me, then it'd be negative 2. All right. So pause the video and think of some things that could be positive and some things that could be negative. Write down the situation and then you can write down the number. All right. Okay. Ready? Here are some examples that we did in class. Bought 3 books, so that would be positive 3 or just 3. My sister took 2 of my candies. That's negative 2 again. Put 3 more chairs in class. 3. Lost 10 pounds. Minus 10. Received 2 blankets. 2. Sold 5 cards. Negative 5. Took out $20. Negative 20. All right. 74 degrees. 20 feet above sea level. Negative 5 degrees. I mean, it's right there already. And negative 282 feet below sea level. So negative 282. Right? So you can see you got positive numbers and then you got negative numbers. Okay. When we talk about sea level, 0 feet is sea level. Think of it like the ocean, like when you go to the beach. When you go to the beach, you see the water, that's usually around 0 feet. That's usually around sea level. So think of it like that. Anything above 0 feet is above sea level. So if it was 5 feet above sea level, 10 feet above sea level, heck, even 1,000 feet above sea level. And then below sea level, then it would be, negative 5 feet below sea level. Okay. And then this would be negative 10. So because you're saying below sea level, you don't have to say negative 10. You just say 10 feet below sea level. And then here you have a negative 1,000. If you have treasure underneath the ocean, you just say 1,000 feet below sea level. All right. So take a look at this. You got Death Valley, California, negative 282 feet below sea level. You got New York City, that's 33 feet above sea level. You got Bethel, Indiana, that's 1,211 feet above sea level. And then you got Miami, Florida at 0, at sea level, basically. All right. Can you put these in order from least elevation to greatest? What would be least to greatest? The least would be Death Valley, right? What would be second? Miami would be second. What about third? How about fourth? Right, Bethel. So that'd be the highest. If you had the number line, so here's 0 again, right? So 0 would be right here. Okay. How far away is Death Valley, California from Miami, Florida? In terms of feet? It'd be 282. How far is New York City from Miami, Florida in terms of elevation? 33. Okay, so we say like how far away is something from something, we just say the number. We don't have to say negative 282. We don't use negatives there. That's all we're doing for today. All right, we'll continue this on Monday. If you have any questions, let me know. Okay, I think this is going to be a fun unit for everybody. Because we're talking about positive and negative numbers and where to put it on the number line. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. See ya. Have a good weekend.